Good afternoon. My topic is all about tolerance, and I'm going to show the tolerance using the SolidWorks. And my name is Richard Justin Villarin, and please watch my video.
Show how to put tolerance on your SolidWorks sketch. First, this drawing was part of the parallel clamp, and this part was the fixed jaw. I'm going to exit the sketch, so you're going to see the whole fixed jaw. As you see on your left side view on your monitor, the sketch, under the sketch you will see the 5 small icon. Under the sketch you will see the picture manager design, and the fourth one was the DIM Expert Manager. Click the DIM Expert Manager. You're going to see the first icon under the DIM Expert Manager, the auto dimension. Click. You're going to see the settings, reference features, scope, features, filter. Just click the features reference, and as you see under the reference feature, there are 3 parts: the primary, secondary, and tertiary. The primary, click the primary and click the top view of the drawing, the top view of the fixed jaw, and click the secondary datum, and click the side view of the workpiece, and then click check. As you see, the tolerance are shown in the drawing or in the screen. As we go on the top view, we're going to see the tolerance and the dimension of the hole, the tolerance of the width, and as we go to the side view, we're going to see the other part of the other specific part that it has the tolerance. In this part, we're going to transfer the sketch in the drawing paper. We're going to click new drawing, click OK. Browse. We're going to use A4 landscape. Click OK. Click the movable view. I'm going to change the scale into 1:2, so the drawing can fix in the drawing paper, can be fit in the drawing paper. And as you can see at the left side view of your monitor, the view layout. Under the view layout, you can see the model view. Under the model view, you can see the reference configuration, orientation, and the orientation is you can click any part, any view what you like to view the drawing. I'm going to choose the right side view, and the second and the import option. Import option is the part when the tolerance can be shown, and click the tolerance, import annotation, click the design annotation, dim expert annotation, and go back and choose this one and click the drawing. As we can see, the tolerance and the dimension are being shown in the drawing. The tolerance are in the pink color, and the black are the dimension of the Pixjo. And I'm going to click the other view. I'm going to show you the other view of the Pixjo, the top view. Click the projected view. As we can see, the top view are being shown, is being shown, and the tolerance and the dimension of the hole is being displayed, and the width of the Pixjo is 1 inches. And there we go.